A beer maker near Wadebridge says it's the first in Cornwall to capture and reuse its own carbon dioxide. The owners of Bluntrock Brewery say it saves them money and is helping them towards their goal of becoming carbon negative. Janine Jansen has more.
What has a balloon, ice, and costs about £100,000? I'll give you one guess. You've got it, a carbon dioxide capture machine.
The way this works is, as beer is fermenting, it produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. Now, most breweries' carbon dioxide goes off into the atmosphere. We have this system here, which collects the carbon dioxide, washes it, puts it into this balloon, and when the balloon is full, it compresses it, liquefies it, and stores it in these tanks here for us to reuse. And you can see the ice on the tank tells us the level of the liquid inside the tank.
So what do they use the carbon dioxide for?
When beer is finished and ready to be packaged, you have to carbonate it. You add the fizz to the beer. So a lot of breweries will buy in CO2 made elsewhere to then carbonate their beers, whereas we use it to recarbonate our beers at the end of the process as we package them.
Co-owner Hugo says they save around £40,000 a year not having to buy in CO2.
Because we're now producing a lot more beer, we have a lot more CO2 that would have been just vented off into the atmosphere as a byproduct of fermentation. If we didn't have the CO2 recovery, we'd be losing about 51 kilos of CO2 per batch of beer.
I hope that other breweries follow suit as it becomes more and more accessible.
Janine Jansen, BBC Spotlight.
Plymouth Parkway Football Club is looking